Hello, thank you very much, guys, for watching. Today we are working on a 2011 Ford Transit Connect with all keys lost. Customer brought the car to us, and I will be packing the door with the special leashy for table keys. And you pick them, and it can once you pick them, you can use them as a key, and you can unlock the doors with it. And the numbers, you can just, once you pick it, the numbers will notify which numbers are the betting on, and based on those bettings you can cut the key and program the key to the car. Let me know if you have any questions. Please do subscribe, like our channel, and we'll give you more videos. Thank you.